Ever wanted an Adaptalux but winced at the price? Well, we got a DIY project. Well, this is a DIY modular light setup for macro. What we've got here is a little flexible USB light, and you can set this up with 3 lights for about $10 or $12 or pounds. These little lights on flexible, really flexible arms are £2 in IKEA. Now I've got 3 of these. Also got a hub that I had, a 3-port hub. I've also got a load of these gels, which are for flash, but we're going to use them for this. We've got a hub, and we've got 3 of these lights, and we're going to set up a small little macro setup and see how we get on. So this is our little setup. We've got a couple of leaves from the garden, and we've got a yellow gel on the background, an orange gel on one on the front, and a piece of tissue on the third one. The big piece of tissue sort of spreads and diffuses the light. Not tissue, it's tracing paper. It diffuses the light, and so the yellow one on the back gives more yellow to the yellow leaf, and the orange gel on the front gives it a warm sort of glow. Well, this is our setup. We've got one light behind with a yellow gel on. We've got a couple of leaves here. The front 2, this one is got tracing paper taped to it, and this one up here has got an orange gel. So this is our little subject. Right, this is f14, and we've set the ISO low and also allowed the camera to set the shutter speed. And so the gel on the back, the yellow gel, helps to make the yellow leaf even yellower. And we got a warm gel on the front, which also is warming up the leaf at the front. This is our second setup. We got blue gel at the back. In fact, we've got 2 blue gels. We've got 2 lights on the front leaf, and we've this is the result. And we've taken 2 exposures, one at 2.8 and one at f14. You can see what the difference is, and you can see that the more depth of field reduces the width of the light. So have an experiment. Doesn't cost a lot of money, and you can really try some different setups. I'll be sort of happy to see what you can achieve. Anyway, we'll see you again next time.